Hey y'all, it's Day or De La Soul, and the locks are out. Aww. And I'm giving my hair a little break before my next protective style. So by request, you guys are getting a braid out today. So I've already detangled, and I had those locks in for like 5 weeks, and I haven't washed my hair in that time period. So I'm going to be using the clay mask route today, and I'm using Cream of Nature's Clay and Charcoal Pre-Shampoo Detoxifying Clay Mask. For those who don't know, clays are a great way to remove buildup and clarify your hair, which means it goes a little bit deeper than a traditional shampoo to get it clean. So I applied a generous amount all over my head, and I let it sit before I skipped on to shampooing with the cleanser out of the Clay and Charcoal collection. And because my hair was tucked away and I want to make sure I get some good hydration going on, I'm switching to one of my favorite moisturizing collections, which is the Mane Choices Tropical Moringa. So this is what my hair looked like after applying that mask and shampooing, and I've already applied my leave-in. Let's hop into this braid out. And y'all, I really do not like braid outs, which is why you only see me doing once or twice a year, but I'm doing them for the gram and YouTube because I was asked multiple times. And if you missed it, I'm using the glaze out of the Tropical Moringa collection as my styler, and I'm doing this on wet hair. I decided to do them in chunky parts in hopes to get a way more wavier curl pattern, because the reason that I do not like braid outs is because the definition. I just don't like that crinkly, weird shape that it gives. Like, I love them on other people's hair, but not so much on my texture, which is why I stick to 2-strand twists and 3-strand twists. I want to give y'all some tips on it, but I just don't be liking the results, so it feels weird, but here it goes anyway. First and foremost, I try to grab my 3 strands and make sure they're even sections so they produce a uniform curl pattern. I also try to part my sections in the same size to help with that consistency as well. And I just plait as far down as I could possibly go, and then just twirl my ends. And as y'all can see, this blonde is about gone. It grew out so quick. I did these chunky plaits all over my head. I think I did about 4 per section. I didn't count, but I want to say it was about 4 per section to keep them pretty thick. So maybe 16, no more than 18 or 20 of the plaits. And I did air dry overnight and into the next day. And that's another thing about braid outs that I don't like. They take a little bit longer to dry. I just think it does that because they're braided so tight. I'm not gonna lie, I actually do like the shape that I'm getting. I really enjoyed how this looked as I was unraveling them, and even when I started separating, it was looking good, so I actually got hyped. But then I started picking my hair, right? And it's like, nah, I really do like the results, y'all. I just need to get my ends trimmed because some of this blonde in the middle of my head is broken off and limp. But this actually looks significantly better than my last braid out. So thank y'all. I take back all the negativity I was spewing out earlier. I actually will do these again after I get another haircut. So this is the final results. One thing I can say about braid outs is what they lack in definition, they definitely make up for in volume. My hair looks so big. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed and that notification bell is on. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.